Every small business knows the pain of chaotic planning. Missed appointments, double bookings, wasted hours. Sound familiar? What if you could automate all of that? Introducing GetPlan, the AI-powered planning and workforce management software. Many small industries still depend on spreadsheets or paper, leading to chaos, delays, and missed opportunities. GetPlan uses AI to schedule, track, and invoice automatically, keeping your business organized and efficient. GetPlan works with AI-based employee planning and scheduling, geo-fencing and hour tracking, proposal, order and job management, multilingual and region-ready. Save hours each week, improve team performance, and deliver faster, more reliable service affordably. Whether you're managing a team of 5 or 500, GetPlan is your digital operations assistant, helping you plan smarter, work faster, and grow stronger. Visit getplan.nl or contact at horaceconsulting.nl to start your free trial today.